Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is yummy and tasty veg Frankie. This is one of the famous street foods, especially in Mumbai. It is very easy to prepare and very few ingredients are required. Come, let's get started and check out the ingredients. Firstly, we have to prepare a dough. For that, take 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of plain flour, maida. You can skip maida and use only wheat flour. It's up to your choice. And then add very little salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Now combine this well. And start making into a dough, adding water gradually. Don't add it once. It requires about 3/4 cup of water. Make it into a very soft dough. Knead it for at least 5 to 6 minutes. And then apply oil and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, take a bowl, add 1 green chilies finely chopped, 1 small carrot cut it into juliennes, and 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced. And then add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. You can also skip this process and use this as it is, but I prefer soaking them in vinegar so that it gives some sourness to Frankie. It tastes wonderful. Then add half teaspoon of pepper powder and 2 to 3 pinches of salt. Mix this well and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now in another bowl, I have taken 3 boiled and mashed potatoes and have added half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, medium-sized onion finely chopped, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour for binding. Now mix this well and make flat cylindrical or flat oval shaped patties and keep them in a plate. And then on hot tawa add oil and place these patties gently and cook this until we get nice brown color on both the sides. Keep flame on medium-low. It's done. Transfer this to a plate carefully. And now let's prepare Frankie sheet. Knead dough for a minute and make even-sized balls and roll thin as like we roll it for roti. Dust some flour on the surface and start rolling. Don't roll it too thick, it should be thin. And now put it on hot tawa. Cook both the sides until you see that brown spots. You can add some oil to its corners. It's done. Make as many rotis as you want. Now spread mayo or cheese spread or ketchup, anything is fine. Spread it evenly. You can also use grated processed cheese and then place shredded cabbage and then thinly sliced capsicum and now place aloo pattie and then place vegetable salad that we have soaked in vinegar, and sprinkle chaat masala or Frankie masala, and ketchup and mint. It's optional. If you add, it will be tasty. Now roll it tight and finally Veg Frankie is ready to be served. If you are packing this for lunch, wrap it with aluminium foil. You can serve this with ketchup or any mint chutney. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.